Right. So we designing the combinational circles. Right. So what is the first circle you have first unit? So we design the combinational circle. For that, the operation will be explained in the form of a truth table. Then simplification is done using A1. Then last step we design the combinational circle. Right. So up to this, any doubts? Up to this, any doubts? No. Next, we are heading as binary adder. Binary adder. Binary adder. Subtractor. Binary adder. Subtractor. Completed. So I was the heading as adders. Another the heading as adders. So what's an adder? Adding up. To a working number, right? The circle that performs the addition operation is called as adder. Right? So what's an adder? Sum of addition of two or more bits. The circle that performs the addition of two or more bits is called as adders. So normally that we having two types of adders. One is the half adder and another one will be full adder. Write it down. So there are two types of adders. One is the half adder and second one will be full adder. Completed. So what is the half adder? Addition of what is the half adder? Addition of two bits, right? Then listen. In half adder we are adding two bits. That is consider A or B or X or Y. What is the output? What will be the output? Listen. What is 0 plus 0? 0, right? What is 0 plus 1? What is 1 plus 0? 1. What is 1 plus 1? 1. What is 1 plus 1? 1. Right? 1 plus 1 is 1. Right? Listen. Decimal value of 1 plus 1? 2. What's the binary equivalent of decimal value? 2 can be written as 1 0, right? What's 1 plus 1? 2, right? Normal addition, what's 1 plus 1? 2 can be written in terms of binary as 1 0, right? What's 1 plus 1? 1 0, right? So in a half adder, full adder, you have to follow this rule, right? Is that clear? Any doubts? Last one, any doubts? So in half adder, full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor, you have to follow this rule. So normally for X or B, log in under 1 plus 1 will be 1, right? For half adder, full adder, what is 1 plus 1? You have to, what is 1 plus 1? Not 10. So the half adder performs addition on two binary inputs and it produces the output in the form of two binary outputs in the form of sum as well as carry. Right? So half adder performs addition of two binary inputs and it produces two binary outputs in the form of sum as well as carry. So why are we carry during the addition? When you are adding two numbers, you are getting one carry, right? What is the carry? In combination circuits, the carry of the first circuit will be added as an input to the next circuit, right? So we have having sum as well as carry. Write it down. Half adder performs the addition of two binary inputs and produces two binary output as a sum. Half adder performs addition operation on two binary inputs and produce two binary output as a sum and carry it. Draw the diagram. Boy side. Completed? Finish it fast. Boys, let's stop talking. Finish it. Keep quiet. Using the gamma, then finally we design the half adder. Right? Then next heading as truth table. See, what's half adder? Performs addition of two binary inputs. Right? So what are inputs? A and B. What are outputs? Produces two binary outputs in the form of sum as well as carry. So what are the two outputs? Sum as well as carry. Right? Right? Then two binary operations? 0, 0, 1, right? So what is half order? It performs the addition operation. So you are going to add the two binary inputs, that is A and B, right? So what is 0 plus 0? 0. So sum will be 0. Carry will be also 0. What is 0 plus 1? 1. So what's the least significant bits?
1 is sum and 0 is carry.
1 will be the sum, right? And 0 will be the carry. What is 1 plus 0?
Same. Same will be sum and 0 will be carry.
So what is 1 plus 0? 1. So sum will be 1, carry will be 0. What is 1 plus 1?
It will be 1 to 0.
1
0 will be sum and
then what is there? What is 1 plus 1? 1. Right? So 0 will be the
sum.
sum and 1 will be the carry. Right? Is that clear? So 0 will be the sum and 1 will be the carry. After the say it out, then what's the next step? KMAP simplification, right? So we are going to do the simplification using KMAP for carry as well as sum, right? So half adder will produce 4, right? So 2 binary outputs will perform sum as well as carry. So we are going to design the dot paper for sum as well as carry, right? Then the next thing is KMAP simplification. KMAP simplification. So how many inputs are here? Inputs are here? 2 inputs. So what is the type of variable KMAP is here? 2 variable KMAP that consists of 4 cells. Should not say 4 KMAP. You have to tell us 2 variable KMAP with 4 cells, right? So let us KMAP simplification. So first you have to do the KMAP for the sum. Then you have to do the KMAP for carry. Good. So how many inputs are here? How many inputs are here? 2 inputs. So you need a 2 variable KMAP that consists of 4 cells, right? Then what are possible combinations for A? 0 and 1. For B? 0 and 1. Then this and for sum. For 0, 1, the output will be 1. As well as 1, 0, the output will be 1. For 0, 1, the output will be 1 as well as for 1, 0, the output will be 1. So remaining 0. What's the next step? Grouping. Is there any possibility of octet? That is possible. Listen, you have to do the grouping when you are having ones in the adjacent cell. So இந்த one get adjacent cell. இந்த adjacent இந்த adjacent. இந்த one இருக்கா? இல்ல group பண்ண முடியாது. இந்த one get adjacent cell. Adjacent na nearby cells. இந்த one இருக்கா இல்லையா? இது group பண்ணும்போது இப்போ example grouping ones, you have to check whether you have one in the adjacent cells. இந்த one இருக்கு. Diagonal. So diagonal grouping is allowed in KMAP? No. Diagonal grouping is illegal. So keep that in mind. While doing the grouping, you have to check whether you are having one in the adjacent cell. If you are having one in the adjacent cell, adjacent means nearby cell. So this will be the adjacent cell, right? Nearby cell. If you are having one in the nearby cell, then only you can do the grouping. Or else you have to do the one. Or else you have to do the one individually. Right? Then, what is the expression for this grouping? What is the expression for this grouping, pa? A bar B. What is the expression for this grouping? A bar. Right? This is the KMAP for bar B. So what's A B bar plus A bar B? What is A B bar plus A bar B? XOR. So A XOR B. So A XOR B. So we are seeing this in the starting, right? So keep that in mind. A B bar plus A bar B is equal to A XOR B, right? Then I have one more. That is A bar B bar plus A B is equal to what is A bar B bar plus A B? Last one is right. So then A B bar plus A bar B is nothing but A XOR B. What is A bar B plus A B? A XOR B. A. This is XOR symbol, XOR B. Right? Then this A XOR B can also be written as this. A XOR B can also be written as A XOR B the whole bar. Right? So listen, copy down this. Copy down this. So A bar B bar. So A B bar plus A bar B is nothing but A XOR B. A bar B bar plus A B is nothing but A XOR B. So A XOR B can also be written as A XOR B the whole bar. So completed. Then we have finished the grammar for sum. Then we are going to do the grammar for carry. This game of simplification for sum. Boys say stop talking. Next, do the grammar for carry and tell me the final expression, simplified expression. Next, we are going to do the grammar for carry. Right. So how many inputs are here? 2 inputs. So you need a 2 variable gamma that consists of 4 cells. So here we will get a boy side. Here we will be the input for possible combination 0 1 0. So what is the carry? 1 minus 2. So input A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. Output will be 1. So for A is equal to 1, B is equal to output will be 1. For remaining 0. Then is there any possibility of quad or pair? Then we have to go back. So what is the expression for this? So game of simplification for carry. So write it down carry. You can also write it as B out. Sum you can also write it as summation. So after the say it out, then what's the next step? We are going to define the half adder. Write it down. Logic diagram of half adder. Listen. Next, we are going to draw the logic diagram for half adder. This is for sum and this is for carry, right? So we are going to use XOR. We are going to use 1, 2 input XOR, right? Then we are going to use AND gate for right? Then listen. First we are going to draw the logic diagram for sum. For sum, what is sum? What is expression for sum? A XOR B. So the inputs will be A and B. What is the output of this? What is the output of this? A XOR B. That is sum. Right? Then what is carry? A and B. So we have to take a line from fast. The girls are coming here. Boys are coming here. Yes or no? Then, what's the next ladder? Full ladder. What's the full ladder? So, half ladder performs addition of two binary inputs and it produces two binary outputs in the form of sum as well as carry. So, when you are adding two binary inputs, you will be getting sum as well as carry. That is half ladder. What's full ladder?
Adding more than two.
Here also we are adding two binary inputs. In addition to that, we will be having a carry number. So, we are adding three inputs. So, in full ladder also, we are going to add two binary inputs as well as one carry input. And what will be the output? What will be the output?
Two.
It also produces two binary outputs in the form of sum as well as carry. So, put it as full ladder. I write it down. The full ladder accepts. The full ladder accepts two input bits and an input carry and an input carry and generates a sum output and a carry output. So in short, you can tell it as full ladder is a 3 input and 2 output combination circuit. So listen, they are dealing with the combination circuit, right? So under this combination circuit, we have having half ladder, full ladder, half subtractor, full subtractor, binary adder, binary subtractor. So these are all the examples of this combination circuit. So in short, you can tell it as full ladder is a 3 input as well as 2 output combination circuit. Next, draw a block diagram for this full ladder. Block diagram, not logic diagram. Block diagram. See the same. So what's the block diagram? Just a representation of that half ladder or full ladder. Just a representation of that combination circuit. What's the logic diagram? Logic diagram. So what is the diagram of that combination circuit? Right? First, draw the block diagram. So what's full ladder? What's full ladder? We have input. What Right? Jump and ended out. Listen. So how many inputs are here? Three inputs. What a positive combination? How many positive combinations are there? 8. From 0 to 7. So 0 can be represented down to 3 with us. 0, 0, 0. Then 7. Or 7? 1. So village. Village. Stop talking. Voice side. Enough. Voice side. Enough. Girls side. Enough. So listen. What a possible combination? 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, after the say it out. Right. So we are going to add the 3 inputs. Right. What 0 plus 0 plus 0? Sum will be 0. We add it also 0. What 0 plus 0 plus 1? So sum will be 1. Carry will be 0. Then what is 0 plus 1 plus 0? Sum will be 1.
Carry will be 0.
Then what is 0 plus 1 plus 1?
Sum will be 0. Carry will be 1.
Right. So sum will be 0. Carry will be 1. What is 1 plus 0 plus 0?
Sum will be 1.
Sum will be 1. Carry will be 0. Then what is 1 plus 0 plus 1?
1 0. Sum
Sum will be 0. Carry will be 1. Then what is 1 plus 1 plus 0? Sum will be 0 and carry will be 1. Is that what about 1 plus 1 plus 1?
Carry 1. Sum will be 1.
So what's the logic? Right. So what's 1 plus 1 plus 1? What's 1 plus 1 plus 1? In terms of decimal. In terms of decimal. Decimal not normal addition. So 3 can be written in terms of binary as listen. We have now plus 2 also, right? So 3 can be written also as understand the logic and then proceed. Right? Then what's next step? Keva. So we are going to the Keva simplification for sum as well as carry. Right? So how many variables that is inputs are here? 3 inputs. So we have to use them? You have to use them? 3 variables Keva that consists of 8. Just do it by yourself. Stop talking. So next is the voice side. Third one. Do the Keva simplification for sum and tell me the answer. Next one. Do the Keva simplification for carry and tell me the answer. So how many variables are here? plus Cn. So we have to use Cn. So என்ன வேரியபிள் மென்ஷன் பண்றீங்களோ இன்க்ளூசிவ் அதெல்லாம் லாஜிக் டயக்ராம் போடுறதை ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும். ரைட்?
Okay, ma'am.
A B C னா so till last we have to follow that symbols. So if you have mentioned the inputs as x, y, Cn, till last we have to follow that. For EC we can go with this A B C. Right? Then what is A B C? So what is the combination?
0 0
0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So what is logic behind this? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. What's the logic behind this? What's the logic behind this? Backward sequence, right? So we have using the backward sequence instead of that binary code. What's the reason? So in game now,
It is a
right?
one bit.
Right. It's a one bit variable now. So at the time only one bit change is allowed. So that using this backward sequence, right? Right. So we are going to do the game for sum, right? So for 0 0 1 we are having 0 0 1 we are having 1. Then for 0 1 0 we are having 1. Then 1 0 0 we are having 1. And for 1 1 we are having 1, right? Correct? Then figure this as well. Is there a possibility for 4 1s? Is there possibility for any quad? Octet? Pair? No. Then we have to look at individually. Do it.
A bar B bar C plus A bar B.
A bar B bar
C.
Cn. Okay, your answer is Cn. So expression also is the same. So group it individually. Boy side, stop talking. So next is there are get up. Next is there are get up. What answer for this would be get up.
A B bar C
A?
1 A C bar B bar C bar
Right. For this would be A B bar C bar. Next. Third one get up. What's the answer for this would be? A bar B bar C is down. Next. Next. Get up. What's the answer for this would be? A B C is down. A B C N. Girl side. One. Get up. What's the answer for this would be? A bar B C C bar. So A bar B C bar. So got this answer? Got this answer? Yes or no? Right. Listen, it's not the final answer. So for this you require and gauge, not gauge. We are going to simplify this expression. We can go ahead, leave some space, and then we will came out for carry on. So leave 4 to 5 lines, and do the came out for. Stop writing, listen. Enough. Stop writing session, listen. Right side. Enough. Listen. There are listen. So have completed came up for carry. We got this answer. Right. Then this answer. Then possibility for 4 ones. Then what is possibility here? Listen. Listen. You're having 3 ones, right? Can you put these 3 ones? No. Right? So it should be of the order 2n. Right? So you can do 8 ones or 4 ones or 2 ones or First, right? Then this will be the second part. Then this will be the third part. Is that clear? Then what's the expression for this grouping? B, C, right? B, C. Then what's the A, C, right? So what is the answer? This is the simplified expression form. Can, right now, can is boy side. So carry, see out is equal to what is the answer? Right. You have to write the final dimension in terms of form of words. Listen. What takes you to the Salma? A, B bar, C bar, A bar, B, C bar. Is that A, B bar, C bar completed? Then A bar, B, C bar completed. What are the main terms? A bar, B bar, C A. Then A, B. Listen. So for carry, you can use the and gate as well as the or gate. By this we can call the diagram for carry. So take a look at this. How many gates are required? Here 3 input AND gate, NOT gate as well as XOR gate. So circle you get. So we are the more complex cell, right? So we are going to minimize this sum using simplified form using some loss, right? Listen, we expression our similar form to put as more way, right? When is the loss of the transfer? When is the K map? When is the tabulation? So K map use பண்ணியோ அந்த expression simplify ஆகலனா என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Loss use பண்ணி simplify பண்ணலாம், right? So we are going to do some Boolean loss. Listen. First, consider the first terms. So this is common. C in bar is common, right? So take it outside. C in bar. What are the main terms? A, B bar plus A bar B. Right. Then consider the third term and fourth term. C is common. C. So what are the main terms? A bar plus AB. Up to the three terms. So we already know that what is A, B bar plus A bar B. A XOR B is XOR B. So what is A, B bar plus A bar B? So write it down. Write it later. Last bench. What is this in the book? So C bar A, right? So what is A, B bar plus A bar B? A XOR B, right? Then CN. What is A bar B bar plus A B bar? A XOR B. bar A. This is upper form. A bar B plus then A bar B plus A
B bar.
right? So A bar B plus
A B.
A B bar. So what's A?
C.
What's B?
A.
Right. So what is the final answer for A bar B plus A B bar? A
In XOR
A
XOR
what's A?
XOR C.
C. So A XOR what's B? A XOR B. Right? So this is our form A bar B plus A B bar. We already know that A bar B plus A B bar is nothing but A XOR B. So from this what's A? C. What is B? A XOR B. Final answer will be A XOR B. So A will be C in XOR B. Right? So for this is a single. For this you can use a single 3 input XOR gate. So instead of using a multiple gate, you can use a single XOR gate. What's the next step? So you know the expression for sum, right? You know the expression for carry. So first we are going to draw the expression for sum. So what is sum for? What's the expression for sum?
C.
C in XOR A XOR B. Right? So how many inputs are here?
3.
3 inputs. So it is a 3 inputs XOR B. What are the inputs? A, B, C. So what is the output for? What is the output? A XOR B XOR C. Right? So how do you take it out? So we have written that logic circuit for sum. Next. We are going to click on carry. What's carry bar? First we are having A, C in. So take a line from A, take a line from C in. Give it where? And A. So what is the output of this? What will be the output of this and A? A, C. Next, what is the next one bar? A. So AB. So what's the next one? AB.